Best foods for your body type, personal nutrition guide. Have you ever wondered why a diet that works wonders for your friend doesn't seem to have the same effect on you? Or why you can't lose weight as easily as they can? The answer may lie in your unique body type. Just like every plant in a garden needs a specific balance of sunlight, water, and nutrients to grow, our bodies require tailored nutrition for optimal health. Let's explore how to discover the best foods for your body type and unlock the secrets to eating for your best self. What is body type and why is it important? When we talk about body type, we're referring to your natural build and metabolic tendencies. While hybrids, often considered the fourth and fifth body types, combine traits of the main types, the standard classification focuses on three primary body types. 1. Ectomorph, naturally thin with a fast metabolism. 2. Endomorph, tends to carry more body fat and has a slower metabolism. 3. Mesomorph, muscular and naturally athletic. Each body type processes food differently, which is why certain foods benefit specific types. Imagine your body as a unique puzzle. When you fit the right pieces of nutrition in place, everything works smoothly. Ectomorph, naturally thin, fast metabolism. If you're an ectomorph, people may tell you, you're so lucky. You can eat anything and not gain weight. But the reality is that ectomorphs often struggle to build muscle and maintain energy levels. Your body is like a race car, fast but constantly burning through fuel. To maintain balance, you need to fuel it efficiently. The best foods for ectomorphs: complex carbohydrates, quinoa, sweet potatoes, and whole grains provide long-lasting energy without causing crashes. Healthy fats, avocados, nuts, and seeds help slow down metabolism and prevent constant hunger pangs. Lean protein, chicken, turkey, fish, and eggs supply the muscle-building nutrients ectomorphs need to maintain strength. Ectomorphs benefit from eating frequent healthy snacks throughout the day to keep their energy levels steady. Think of it like refueling a high-speed vehicle. Small, frequent meals help you maintain momentum. A sample suitable diet for ectomorphs. Breakfast: oatmeal with berries and a handful of almonds. Lunch: grilled chicken wrap with quinoa and avocado. Snack: smoothie with spinach, banana, and flax seeds. Dinner: baked salmon with sweet potatoes and broccoli. Potential health hazards for ectomorphs. 1. Osteoporosis. Ectomorphs may be at higher risk of osteoporosis due to their lower body fat and, in some cases, reduced muscle mass. Ensuring adequate calcium and vitamin D intake is essential for bone health. 2. Nutrient deficiencies. A fast metabolism can make it difficult for ectomorphs to retain enough nutrients, leading to deficiencies in key vitamins and minerals such as iron, vitamin D, or B vitamins. 3. Heart disease. Surprisingly, being thin doesn't automatically reduce the risk of heart disease. If ectomorphs don't maintain a balanced diet and consume high levels of processed or fatty foods, they can still accumulate visceral fat around the organs, which increases cardiovascular risk. 4. Weak immune system. Lower fat stores may make ectomorphs more vulnerable to infections and prolong recovery periods, especially if protein intake is insufficient. Low fat reserves can also lead to fatigue and hypoglycemia, low blood sugar. Endomorph. Embracing balance. Endomorphs are often described as having a softer or curvy build, with a natural tendency to store fat. Imagine your metabolism as a slow-burning engine. It takes longer to start but provides lasting energy once it gets going. For endomorphs, success lies in choosing foods that balance energy levels and metabolism while minimizing fat storage. The best foods for endomorphs. Fibrous vegetables. Vegetables like broccoli, spinach, and cauliflower are nutrient-dense and low in calories, helping you feel full without contributing to fat storage. Lean proteins. Foods such as fish, lean chicken, and plant-based proteins like lentils help endomorphs maintain muscle mass while minimizing fat gain. Healthy fats in moderation. Moderate portions of healthy fats, such as olive oil, almonds, and chia seeds, are essential for overall health but should be consumed mindfully to avoid excess calorie intake. A sample suitable diet for endomorphs. Breakfast, veggie omelette with a side of avocado. Lunch, grilled fish with a green salad dressed in olive oil. Snack, hummus with cucumber and bell peppers. Dinner, turkey stir-fry with cauliflower rice. As a key point, portion control is crucial for endomorphs. Think of your metabolism as a steady-burning fireplace. Small, balanced meals throughout the day help keep the fire going without overwhelming it. Too much food, at once can choke the system, causing excess fat storage instead of energy use. Potential health hazards for endomorphs. Obesity. Endomorphs may find it more challenging to manage their weight, which can lead to obesity if not managed with a balanced diet and regular exercise. Type 2 diabetes. The tendency to store fat, especially around the abdomen, can make endomorphs more prone to insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes. Heart disease. Excess fat, particularly in the midsection, can raise cholesterol levels and increase the risk of heart disease and stroke. Joint problems. The extra weight can strain the joints, leading to issues such as arthritis, particularly in the knees and hips. Sleep apnea. Due to their body composition and potential for excess weight, endomorphs are more likely to develop sleep apnea, a condition that disrupts breathing during sleep. Mesomorph. Growth and balance. Mesomorphs are naturally athletic and have a balanced metabolism that facilitates muscle building. Their challenge is to maintain lean muscle mass without consuming too many calories. Think of a mesomorph as a computer. When updated properly with good nutrition and exercise, it runs efficiently. The best foods for mesomorphs. Mesomorphs need a healthy combination of carbohydrates and proteins. Foods like brown rice, oatmeal, and whole wheat bread provide sustained energy, while chicken, salmon, and tofu help build and maintain muscle. Vegetables for vital nutrients. A variety of vegetables nourish the body and support a healthy metabolism. Healthy fats for maintenance. Avocado, coconut oil, and nuts provide essential fatty acids without excessive calories. A sample suitable diet for mesomorphs. Breakfast, whole grain toast with peanut butter and banana slices. Lunch, turkey quinoa bowl with mixed vegetables and a drizzle of olive oil. Snack, Greek yogurt with a handful of nuts. Dinner, grilled chicken with roasted vegetables and brown rice. As a key point, portion control is crucial for mesomorphs, as it manages the flow of energy into the body. Potential health hazards. Cardiovascular disease. Mesomorphs may be at risk for heart disease if they consume high-fat or high-sugar diets, even if they remain active. More muscle mass does not necessarily protect against poor eating habits. Overtraining injuries. Naturally athletic mesomorphs may overexert themselves, leading to overtraining and increased injury risk, such as muscle strains, joint problems, and stress fractures. High blood pressure. Mesomorphs can develop high blood pressure, especially if they prioritize strength training over cardiovascular exercise. Weight gain with age. As mesomorphs age, their metabolism may slow down. Without adjusting their diet and exercise, they can gain weight, particularly around the abdomen, increasing health risks. Regardless of body type, ectomorph, endomorph, or mesomorph, superfoods should be part of your diet. Superfood suggestions. For energy, chia seeds, spinach, and quinoa are excellent for sustained energy. For brain power, walnuts, blueberries, and salmon enhance cognitive function. To boost your immune system, citrus fruits, ginger, and garlic are great options. Hydration is also crucial for overall health. Maintain healthy skin, and keep your metabolism running smoothly. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day, adjusting for activity level and weather conditions. If you're interested in healthy diets, the Mediterranean diet is a great option. In this video, you can learn some delicious Mediterranean recipes. Thank you for watching.